I am honored to welcome you all to the historic city of Lapu-Lapu. Standing here at the Mactan World Museum, we find ourselves at the heart of a city that has evolved into a premier destination for global engagement. Being home to a world-class international airport, luxury hotels, and high-end resorts, we have positioned Lapu-Lapu City as a leading hub for MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and of course, exhibitions. Hosting the key activities of the 48th ASEAN Leaders Summit is a testament of our city's capability to provide a sophisticated and secure environment for the most significant regional dialogues. To our friends from the media, your role in this summit is indispensable. You serve as the bridge between the high-level deliberations of our leaders and the millions of citizens across the Southeast Asia. The responsibility you carry, delivering accurate, timely, and responsible updates, ensures that the outcomes of the 48th ASEAN Summit and related meetings are understood and felt by the people. This International Media Center serves as a platform for the integrity of your work. This facility provides the necessary infrastructure for you to communicate the developments of this summit with clarity and precision as a global network or to the global audience. Beyond the press briefings and deadlines, I invite you to experience the hospitality and the unique character of our people. The historic city is proud to be the backdrop of your coverage, and we are dedicated to ensure your stay here is both productive and memorable. Let this center be a place of truth and excellence in journalism. We look forward to the stories you will tell and the connections you will build. Welcome to Lapu-Lapu City, and I wish you all a successful coverage. Daghang salamat.